Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlyn.
And today we are here to unbox my March Young Living Essential Rewards order. For those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company that also sells skincare products, hair products, wellness supplements, all kinds of different items. I've been a member for over 4 years. As a member, you get a 24% discount on the items that they have. You get some reduced shipping and things like that. And you also can qualify for the Essential Rewards program, which is a monthly auto ship where you get to pick and choose the items that you want to have shipped to you. Today, we've already opened the top of our box, and so we're going to show you what we got for this month. Oh, Ashlyn, what do you see?
NingXia Red.
The first thing on the top of the box are these NingXia Red packets. These are Ashlyn's favorite. We also got some bottles this month, so we are well stocked on our NingXia Red. I take about an ounce of NingXia Red every morning, and usually I add 1 or 2 drops of orange or lime or grapefruit vitality essential oil. It's really fruity. It's made from the NingXia wolfberry, which is high in antioxidants and things like that that are really good for your body. So Ashlyn's been wanting one of these packets, so I'm going to open it up and let her have one. If I can get it open. Got to be stronger than the box. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right up there. And you always want to shake them up really well. The packets are 2 ounces and you get 30 of them, which is more than we need for a month. And then the bottles, each bottle lasts us about a month, so this will last us for quite a while. So there you go. All right. So we try to keep NingXia Red. I drink it, Ashlyn drinks it. The next thing that we have is something that I take during the school months that I'm teaching, Inner Defense capsules. And these are basically, it's almost like taking the Thieves essential oil supplement in a capsule. So I'll read to you what it says about Inner Defense. All right, so the product guide says that Inner Defense contains Young Living's Thieves essential oil blend, which is rich in thymol, carvacrol, and eugenol for immune support. It says take 1 soft gel daily in the morning or 1 soft gel 3 to 5 times daily when stressed. For best results, use with Life 9 probiotic 8 hours later. So I basically just take it at night before I go to bed, and it just kind of helps support my immune system during the school months when I'm teaching. All right. Oh, my essential oils are falling out.
Yeah, they just
So your
popped
oils
out.
come in these tubes, and this is not a super big essential rewards order this month. So the first essential oil that we got for this month is the Thieves essential oil. We love to have this one on hand year round. Thieves is one of the popular essential oils that Young Living has. So let me read to you what Thieves has in it. It's a blend, so it contains more than 1 essential oil. It says, Thieves essential oil blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a specific aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals they used while robbing the dead and dying. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains naturally derived constituents limonene and eucalyptol. And so its ingredients include clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, radiata. So it smells great. Even though it's more, the smell reminds me more of like fall or winter. We keep it year round to diffuse if we want to keep our immune system above the wellness line. The second essential oil that we got was probably one of my favorites from the very beginning, and that was the Lavender essential oil. And this is a single, it's just lavender. This one is great to diffuse this time of year, especially with all the seasonal stuff going on. It's great to diffuse with lemon and peppermint, so they call that the trio there, the lemon, the lavender, and the peppermint, and it's good to support the seasonal issues that we have going on this time of year. And then when you spend over $100 or more on Essential Rewards, they always give you some free items. So they have these different levels where you can receive some free items. And so because I spent over $100, I received the first tier. And so I received this Orange Vitality Essential Oil for free. You can tell that it has a different label, and that label is because it is a Vitality Essential Oil. The FDA requires that Young Living label their essential oils for different uses. So these ones with this label right here, the colorful label, they are just the essential oils that are good for diffusing or applying topically, things like that, or using in products and things like that. Whereas the Vitality, the white label, is labeled specifically to be able to use in cooking or drinks and things like that, to use internally. Technically, if I had the orange essential oil and this essential oil, they're technically the same thing, but for FDA purposes, they have to be labeled differently. So that pretty much wraps up our essential rewards order for the month of March. If you have any questions about Young Living or any of their products, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Also, I'm going to leave my membership number if you're curious and you want to try some of these items for yourself. You can go to the Young Living website and you can enter my membership number, and that'll help get you started. But yeah, we love these products. We've used them for several years. Ashlyn loves them. What's your favorite essential oil, Ashlyn?
This one right here.
She loves lavender. Lavender's her favorite. She likes the way it smells, and she puts it on her wrist sometimes, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right, guys, that ends our video for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.